little crazy, little sexy, little cool.
Hey, what's up, MB crew? It's your girl Mona B here, and I am back with another video. And if you are like, girl, where's your hair, and you're lost in the sauce, I will put the link to the video in the description box below. Okay, so just watch that video and you will find out that I cut my hair. But anyways, before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. What's good? Okay, also make sure you click that bell, select all, so that you're notified whenever I post. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's right next to the bell. And also make sure you're following me on my social media at Mona X Banks. That is Instagram and Twitter. Okay, what's good? So yeah, I need to wash my hair. My hair is like kind of like a mess. I got a haircut on Wednesday. It's when I cut my hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm doing currently at the moment. Now, this is not indefinitely. Like, this is going to change, I'm sure, because I'm going to be exploring with like different short hair products and everything like that. So this is not going to stay the same. Like, the products that I'm using, I'm sure I'm going to change them. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash my hair. I don't really too much have a regimen right now for my short hair, but back in the day when my hair was short, I kind of would just do once a week. My hair is freshly short. I'm probably gonna have to wash it a little bit more frequently to train it, because my hair is a little bit all over the place right now. It is on the finer side, so finer hair tends to want to do what it wants to do most of the time. Like, you have to kind of get it in a pattern. So that's what I'm going to be working on doing. So that's why I'm saying that these products may change. So yeah, but let me know in the comments if you guys want me to take you guys to the store with me this weekend when I buy some short hair products, because I'll take y'all with me. So I'm just gonna take this spray bottle, and you know, I feel like when your hair is short like this and you apply product, your hair gets stale quicker. So yeah, I feel like my hair needs to be washed. It's not laying how I need it to lay. And yeah, so it's just, you know, it's not looking fresh, like, to me. Like, I need it to be fresh. I'm going to spray my hair with some water. Of course, you guys will probably just do this in the shower, but since I'm doing, like, you know, showing y'all what I'm doing at the moment, I could have gotten a shower, but honestly didn't feel like setting up the whole shebang. So my hair is pretty wet. No need to get it like drenched, but yeah, it's wet. So when my hair was longer, you guys know that I showed y'all the what is this? This is the Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil for Natural Texture Hair Shampoo. I didn't like it on my longer hair, but I don't know, like, I just grew to like it. See, that's why you have to give like products a chance, because you may end up liking them. And I actually do really like this. It makes my hair very, very clean. So I'm just gonna pour it, you know. I'm gonna pour it on my scalp. Let me zoom in for y'all. But yeah, I'm liking it on my short hair. Like, I washed my hair the day I got it cut, as I always do, because you have all that hair on you and stuff. Oh, and I want to say thank you guys. Whoa. I want to say thank you guys for all the love on my hair cutting video. I'm probably going to film another video this week, and I want to read some of the comments because you guys have me cracking up. So yeah, we'll do that. But y'all, it's probably going to appear longer. This wash day routine is going to seem longer, but that's because I'm recording it. This routine literally only takes 10 minutes. It's a 10-minute routine. Get in the shower, wash your hair, get outside. It's nothing, like, it's not that deep. Honestly, I promise y'all, it's really not that deep. Yeah, but I'm talking to y'all, and, you know, I'm filming it, so it's gonna seem like a little bit longer. Okay, so yeah, I usually just do one wash. I might do two if I feel like my hair still feels, you know, dirty, but this should suffice. So I just rinsed out my shampoo, and I'm not sure about you guys' hair, but you may notice that you see your texture a lot more when your hair is shorter. I mean, I really do. Like, let me show you guys what I mean. Like, you guys can see my hair is kind of like curling up, and it's already seeming to be growing in. So yeah, that's what's going on right now with my hair. I don't know, I just feel like this is only my second time washing it since I got it cut, so I can tell that it's starting to form. Next, I'm just gonna apply the matching conditioner. I have drier hair, like that's how my hair has always been, it's dry. So I have to make sure that I moisturize it. And even when I went to the barbershop, he was like, your hair is so healthy. He was like, a little on the dry side, but it's very healthy. So yeah, it's healthy. That's all that matters. So we can work on the dryness, we can work on it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, I should have zoomed in like this before. I'm acting like I never done a YouTube tutorial, like, girl. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this in, rinse it out, and then your girl will be back. Okay. So I'm back. I went ahead and did makeup. So I mean, that doesn't necessarily have to be a part of your routine. I just wanted to do some makeup today. So when I first got my hair cut, so my hair, I was doing makeup, so my hair kind of dried up a little bit. So I rinsed out the conditioner, and I'm just gonna spray it with water. But yeah, so when I first got my hair cut, it was all like brushed down, but I think I'm gonna wear it more textured today. I feel like because it's not short enough for my hair to be slicked down. My hair doesn't really do good slick unless it's cut really, really short. So probably the next time I go to the barbershop, which will be before my birthday, which is September 8th. So be staying tuned for the videos in September, because my birthday is September 8th. All the Virgos in the comments, stand up. But yes, I'm gonna be vlogging my birthday this year. I'm gonna vlog everything. And yeah, because last year I didn't vlog nothing, and yeah, I didn't vlog anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair. And as you guys can see, I don't know, I should have just wore my hair like this before. I feel like this is great for when your hair, or if you're between haircuts, or even if you just want to wear your hair like this. So I have no product in my hair, just this little bit of water that I just sprayed. I'm just really liking the texture. Look, I'm like, why was I brushing down my hair? Like, what was I doing? So I'm gonna use some pink oil moisturizer because it's heavy. It's not too heavy, but it's enough to moisturize my hair, and I like that. So because I'm not sure, I'm gonna be using grease and stuff on my hair too going forward, because I'm honestly not 100% sold on like liquidy oils at the moment, only because I don't have enough hair, I feel like, for like castor oil. And of course I'm not going to be putting castor oil on my hair, because I'm not trying to grow my hair back out, and castor oil makes your hair grow. And I'm just going to, I mean, you can use it for moisture. I mean, I'll probably use it for that purpose, but yeah, that's probably it. I will put in the description box like my old haircut video, so you guys can go back and see what I was using. I'm probably going to change it up a bit, but we'll see. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the Thank God It's Natural Curl Balm Moisturizing Gel. You guys know I recently did a video on this gel. I didn't really like it for my longer hair, but I've been using it this past week on my shorter hair, and I like it a lot. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like gel on my shorter hair is the business. So I'm just gonna apply some of this, and this is really all you have to do. You can brush it down. Like, if you want to slick down your hair, you can, but today I'm not gonna be doing the slick down hair look today. Like I said, I wanted some texture, and I did do my DIY curl sponge. If you are an OG MB crew member, then you know about this. I will link below some tutorials on how to make it. It's super easy. So yeah, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of the curl balm. And what I like about my short hair too, y'all, is that I can wash my hair whenever, because I mean, whatever, it's just hair and I don't have to worry about it. I can just moisturize it, you know, however, whenever. So I'm liking that. So I'm just gonna kind of go over my whole head really lightly, and I like the gel on my shorter hair. I used to use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture when my hair was short, but I feel like, I don't know, I may revisit it, because I don't like it on my longer hair when my hair is longer. But you know, my hair won't be longer for a very long time. I'm not having no plans on growing out my hair anytime soon. So yeah, I'm just going in circular motion. And you guys know you can buy sponges from the store, but I just like to make mine. I feel like it gives me the look that I need or that I want. But you guys will be seeing how I do my hair differently with different haircuts, because I'm gonna get a bunch of different haircuts, so y'all will see. But this is the brush that I use if I do want to, like, you know, kind of brush my hair down a little bit on the sides, you know, or you can brush down your whole situation, but I'm not going to do that today. And what I like about this gel is not going to give you like such a hard hold, a crunchy hold. You may have to wash your hair, and that's what I like. Because my hair is short, there's no need for me. Obviously my hair is short, I don't know why I keep saying that. Duh, y'all can see it. But there's no need for me to use like a product that is going to hold a bit more, because I'm just going to lay on it and sleep on it. And then, you know, it's just, I don't know. I'm just going to lay on it and sleep on it, and then it's just going to be different anyway. It's like it's going to be smashed. So I need a product that's not going to make my hair dirty, because the next morning I'm definitely going to have to refresh it. And if you guys want me to do a video on how I'm going to be refreshing my hair, just let me know. So I'm just taking my Old Faithful Eco Style. Even though I ain't got that much hair, y'all know this is going to be my Old Faithful. And I probably will use this all over my head as well. Just stay tuned, y'all. So anyways, I'm just taking my little wooden brush, and I'm just going to do some little baby hairs. I know some people don't do baby hairs on their short hair, but you know, I am. I'm going to do it because that's what I like to do. Sideburns were long, y'all, but I told him to cut them things down. They were long and thick. I said, oh no. Oh no, baby, what is you doing? I'm just gonna put some hoops on. We're just gonna put some hoop earrings on. I've been feeling the hoops. Oh my gosh, I feel so cute. Like, hey girl, what's up? It's your girl Mona B in the building. No, but a lot of you guys said y'all was gonna cut y'all hair too, so we're gonna be the bald betties. We're gonna be the MB crew gonna be the bald betties in this thing. No, but I feel so cute. But yeah, this is just what my hair is giving right now. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Cute. You can still see my part. It's giving you some texture, honey. Yes. You guys can comment below some stuff y'all want to see me try on my short hair. I don't know, anything. Just let me know in the comments. Of course, I will be doing some makeup videos like I promised you guys. We're going to get into this, and we're going to live our best life. And yeah, we're going to get into some color. I've been seeing y'all leaving y'all suggestions, so I love it. I love it. I love it. I love you guys so much. You guys are so positive, and I just love you guys. You guys like this video, so I know that you guys want to see more hair routines from me. I enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.